Hooray! We have reached the Golconda Fort.
Saileja, do you know? Our Didi knows history.
My goodness, this fort is so huge.
Just look! Have you ever seen such huge gates?
Look at these sharp iron spokes. The walls are too thick.
This is a security measure.
At some places, a part of wall comes out in a round shape. What is it?
These are bastions. These are used to attack the enemies in danger times. The outer wall has 87 bastions. Thick walls, huge gates with spokes and bastions are all so many ways to ensure security.
Who built this fort? How old this fort would be?
This fort was built by Kakatiyas in 1200. It was made of wood and different rulers lived here. This includes Qutub Shahi dynasty who ruled from 1518 to 1687.
Oh look, this board has a map.
This map shows gardens, fields, gates and factories. This indicates farmers and workers also lived here.
It must be a complete town. Let's go inside and see. These steps seem to go on and on. Even in those days, they have used to have buildings with 2 floors.
See these beautiful carvings on the walls. It is so fine. And see this fountain?
Even today, when engineers design houses, sometimes there is dampness in walls. Here, so long ago, there were fountains that used to be full of water.
See this big gun.
These are cannons. These were used by Aurangzeb, who came with his army, guns and cannons to attack. But they could not even enter the fort. For 8 months they camped outside the fort.
Why the army came from Delhi?
In those days, emperors and kings tried to make smaller kingdoms a part of their own kingdom. This was done sometimes by friendship, sometimes by flattery or even by marriage between families. And when nothing else worked, they also attacked them.
Why is it that Aurangzeb's army couldn't get into the fort?
Didn't you see these strong, thick walls? Huge gates? This is a long, deep ditch called pit along the wall. How could the army enter? If the army tried to come from a different side, then the soldiers in the bastions would have seen it from a distance and attacked them. It was difficult to attack the fort. How many people on both sides must have been killed?
Guns and cannons are things of past. These days, countries have nuclear weapons which can cause so much destruction.
See those pipes that are made of clay. These pipes have been used to carry water to different places in the fort.
See, there were water tanks and wells which would have served as a source of water.
Let's go to the tunnel.
Oh, the breeze feels so cool in this tunnel. It was written that soldiers live here. our people in just a few years. Let's visit the museum. Many old items are kept there.
Many things were found in the places around Golconda was done, like pots, jewelry, swords, etc. It is through all these things that we come to know how people of those times lived, what they used, and what things they made.
Let's leave to home.
Children, hope you all understand the lesson better. Thank you.